Wow, Mandarin! Make you amazing! TOCFL Lessons Novice.
Episode 4 Age and Date. Today we will learn how to say my birthday is on and how old am I.
Before we start, please subscribe and turn on the bell.
Let's start from numbers. Well, two-digit number. So that's the number 10. Do you still remember how to say number 10? 10 and 11. 11 10 means 10 and 1 means 1. So we put 10 and 1 together and it becomes 11. 11. So 12 is 10 and 2. 12. 12. Okay, no problem. So 13 will be 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. 15. 15. 15. 16. 16. 16. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. And how about 19? 19 will be 19. 19. Great. How about 20? 20. 20. 2 is 2 and 10 is 10. So 210. 210 is 20. 20. Continue. How about 21? 21 will be 21. 21. And 22. 22. 22. And 23. 23. 23. 24. 24. 24. Very good. And so on. That's it from 10 to 90. So 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90. Do you think numbers in Mandarin are easy to learn? Okay, now please take a deep breath. And then practice. So, what is this? 37. Yup, I know how to say that in Chinese. Good. 37. 37. 37. And then next one. 96. How to say 96? $96. 96. 96. Next one. 51. 51. 51. 51. Great. Let's move on to date. So the year, month, and day. Year. 年 年 and month. 月 月 and day. 日 日 Again, year. 年 年 month. 月 月 day. 日 日 年. Let's learn some terms related to 年. So here, last year, 去年 This year, 今年 Next year, 明年 So again, last year, 去年 This year, 今年 and next year, 明年 and then 月 In Chinese, the months are arranged in numerical order. So January is the first month. We say 一月 1 is number 1 and 月 is month. 一月 the first month. So February is the second month. 二月 March 三月 April 四月 May 五月 June 六月 Alright, move on to July to December. July, the 7th month. 七月 August 八月 September 九月 October 十月 November 十一月 and then December 十二月 Time to review. January 1月 March 3月 June 6月 August 8月 October 10月 November 11月 Did you get everything correct? Let's see how to express last month, this month, and next month in Chinese. We start from last month, 上个月上个月 This month 这个月这个月 And next month 下个月下个月 We have learned 月 and 日 the month and day 月 and 日The question here is to ask about date. 几月几日几月几日 We know 几 means how much or how many. But in this case, it doesn't mean how many months. The meaning would be like which month, which day. Let's move on to some exercises. Valentine's Day, February 14th. How to say that in Chinese? Right. 2月14日。2月14日。Next one, July 4th. 美国人 pay attention. How to say that? July 4th. Right. 7月4日。7月4日。Next one, Christmas. One of my favorite holiday. December 25th. Great. 12月25日。12月25日。Awesome. After date, let's learn age and birthday. 2 words here. 岁 岁 The usage is like years old. We just need to put number before it. The other word, 生日 means birthday. 生日 We know 日 is day, and 生 here is a verb, means to be born. So the day we were born is our birthday. 生日 Okay, we're back to age. The sentence here is to ask and respond about age. How old are you? 你几岁？你几岁？ To respond, 我 something 岁 Put the number in between. The candle there, 6. Do you still remember how to say 6 in Chinese? 6. And how to say I'm 6 years old? 我6岁。我6岁。 I'm still a baby girl. No, I'm not. By the way, it's not really okay to ask about someone's age in Taiwan, especially for female. It's quite impolite. How about in your culture? Is it acceptable to ask about age? Please leave a comment and let me know it. More sentences. 你今年几岁？你今年几岁？ It's a common phrase to ask how old are you now? 今年 this year. 今年 When we answer this question, we will also add 今年 this year to the sentence. 我今年18岁。我今年18岁。I'm 18 years old. Well, that's the birthday. 生日。生日。When we would like to answer the date of birthday, we will use this sentence. 我的生日是。我的生日是 Put the date after it. 我的生日是 For example, 你的生日是几月几日 When is your birthday? 你的生日是几月几日 And take a look of the picture at the bottom right. May 14th. How to say that in Chinese? May 14th. 我的生日是5月14日。Again, my birthday. 我的生日是5月14日。Did you learn everything today? Great! Let's try some practices. 大家好，我今年岁，我的生日是月日。Please put a number in and leave a comment to let me know it. Next practice. 上个月是月。上个月 last month. So which month is last month? Also, 这个月是月 and 下个月 next month 是月 So what is last month, this month, and next month? Please answer that.
We finished today. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and share it with your friends. By the way, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Alright, see you all next time. 我们下次见. Bye. By the way, if you like our videos and would like to support our creation, please scan the PayPal QR code to buy us a cup of coffee. We will be very grateful to you.